Hey guys, welcome back. We're back at our pool today and we're going to install this pool chlorinator, turn our pool into a saltwater system, and so we can, maintain it less often. So this is a Hayward Aquatrol, and this is the electrolyzer, which, it's I think direct current that breaks down the water and ionizes it to turn it into sodium and chlorine. So we're not here to talk about science today. So we're gonna just install this thing, plumb it into the pool, and I'm gonna go over real quick how that's done. All right, so here we are. This is where the pool comes in. This is where the water comes in. One from the top, one from the bottom. Goes into the pool, and then goes into the pump. It then gets routed up into the filter and into the pool heater, which is not working. So we're just gonna plumb it in somewhere along here to kind of affix it to the system. Alright, first set of problems. These are 1.5-inch lines, and I've got these 2-inch unions, so I have to think of a clever way to get this done. On top of that, there's really not much clearance to get this done properly, so we'll have to play with more plumbing than I had hoped. Anyway, let me go get the parts and I'll come back. Alright, we're back. We've got some transition parts from the hardware store to turn the 1.5-inch to 2-inch outside diameter, so we can mate it to these guys. First thing we're going to do is, because it's a solar pump, we're going to turn off the solar pump. Fill the water, and we're going to break the prime and get as much water back into the pool as possible so we don't end up with a mess. So how these transition pieces are going to go is we're going to meld it to the union so that way you can work with it. So ideally I like to install it upside down so that way there's a little bit of a sump, so the electrolyzer, the electroplate, will always be inside of fluid so it doesn't ever burn out. Remember to put the gasket in. Make sure the flow direction is right. Schedule coordinates.
Mira, mira. Tipo de práctica. Esta se acá haciendo